Practice test 9, renewable energy sources. Today I want to discuss renewable energy, which refers to energy sources that can naturally replenish and are environmentally friendly alternatives to fossil fuels. Renewable energy helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions and dependence on limited resources. Let me explain with two examples. The first is wind energy. Wind turbines convert the movement of air into electricity. When the wind blows, the blades turn and the generators inside produce energy. Wind power is clean, but it depends on consistent wind, so it is best in open plains or coastal regions. The second example is solar energy. Solar panels capture sunlight and turn it into electricity. This is especially useful in sunny areas with long daylight hours. Like wind, solar power is clean and renewable. However, solar panels require storage systems to supply energy at night. Both wind and solar energy illustrate how renewable resources can provide sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Although they have limitations, these energy sources play a growing role in addressing climate change. The professor describes renewable energy. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.